whether Nova Launcher has stopped working or you simply want your original launcher back. Removing it completely is straightforward once you know the correct steps. The most important rule before uninstalling Nova Launcher is to always change your default launcher first. Skipping this step causes home screen problems on many Android devices. Open your Android settings by tapping the gear icon and navigate to the Apps or Applications section of your device. Scroll through your installed app list until you find Nova Launcher. Tap it to open the full app info page. Before tapping Uninstall, first navigate to Default Apps within Settings to change your home app back to stock. On Samsung devices, go to Settings, then Apps, then Default Apps. On Pixel, go to Settings, then Apps, then Default Apps directly. Tap Home App in the Default Apps menu and select your device's original stock launcher from the available list. Once the stock launcher is confirmed as your new default, pressing Home will immediately take you to the familiar stock interface. Now return to Settings, then Apps, and find Nova Launcher. The Uninstall button will now be fully available and active. Tap Uninstall and confirm with OK. Nova Launcher will be completely removed from your device within seconds. If you prefer a faster method, find the Nova Launcher icon in your app drawer and long press it firmly. Hold your finger on the Nova Launcher icon until the action menu appears on your screen. Select Uninstall from the action menu and confirm with OK. This method works perfectly once your default launcher is already changed. A third option is using Google Play Store. Open Play Store, search Nova Launcher, and tap Uninstall directly from its store page. The Play Store method is convenient because it requires no navigation through system settings to locate the app. If the Uninstall button appears grayed out and unavailable, Nova Launcher came pre-installed on your device by the manufacturer. Pre-installed apps cannot be fully uninstalled, but they can be disabled. Tap the Disable button as your alternative solution. Disabling removes Nova Launcher from your home screen and app drawer, even though base files remain on the device storage. After completing removal, always verify by pressing the Home button. Your stock launcher should appear immediately and cleanly. Open your app drawer and scroll through to confirm Nova Launcher no longer appears anywhere in your installed app list. Navigate to Settings, then Default Apps one final time. Confirm your stock launcher is firmly set as the active home application. If you also installed Nova Flashlight as a separate companion app, find it independently in the app drawer and remove it. Long press the Nova Flashlight icon, select Uninstall from the menu, and confirm. It removes completely independently from Nova Launcher. Check Settings, then Security, then Device Admin Apps to ensure no Nova Launcher administrator permissions were left active on your device. Nova Launcher does not typically require device administrator access, but confirming this prevents any unexpected permission-related issues. Once fully removed, your stock launcher takes over completely, giving you a clean and familiar Android experience. Take a moment to personalize your restored stock launcher. Rearrange your home screen icons and add your favorite widgets back. Your device will likely feel faster and more responsive with the stock launcher running. Third-party launchers consume additional background resources. If you ever want Nova Launcher back in the future, it is available anytime in the Google Play Store as a free download. Nova Launcher successfully removed and stock launcher fully restored. Your Android phone is clean, fast, and completely back to its original default experience.